can always choose to be kind.
Hey guys, I'm Tiana. Thanks for joining for B-Kind Craftisodes. Today, I'm going to show you how to take your doll out of the box and build their kindness board. We have Ivy with us, and she's all about spreading love. These instructions are in your instruction booklet, and it's the same for each doll. Our first step is this ribbon at the top. You can reuse it as a hair tie or a bracelet. Go ahead and try to untie it, and if you need some help, feel free to ask. We'll pull our ribbon out, and then we have these tabs here that we can lift up. It might get a little tricky, so be careful. This part of the package is recyclable, however, it's super adorable and you can keep it and use to decorate. Now we'll continue taking Ivy out. Lift up on the sides here, and she just unfolds. So on the back, we have a few things that we need to snip off before we can get Ivy out. Now let's carefully flip her over. And there might be a few more bands. And here's Ivy, and ready to start on my kindness board. So you'll need a pair of scissors and some glue. There are dotted lines here that we're going to cut around. Save this because we're going to cut these out. This piece is recyclable, so you can put it in your recycling bin. Now we're ready to set up our kindness board. So it's pre-folded. You can fold it in like this. And we're going to cut out our icons here and decorate it. Great, now I have them all cut out and these scraps can be recycled. Our next step is to cut on this line in the middle because we're going to use this piece to give it a stand. Just like this, and there's these two spots where we'll insert our stand. There we go, so that it can stand up. And now our next step is to make an envelope. So there's instructions here right on the kindness board for how to fold and create our envelope. You can use any paper that you have from home, just a scrap piece of paper. It could be any color, any size. We also have this goals section, kindness goals. We gave you an idea here. We said, give a friend a hug. And there's space for you to write your goals. And it can really be anything because there are so many different ways to be kind. So I challenge you to write down some goals here. I'm gonna write down one. There. Make a new friend. That'll be exciting. What else do I want to do with my kindness board? So I've got my board here. I've got my icons. I have Ivy. And I could continue to draw or color. I could color in and decorate the envelope. And I can put some of my materials in here. There are so many things that you can do with your kindness board. And remember, this is the same for each of the dolls, so you could collect 5 kindness boards to build and enjoy. Thanks so much for joining us today for this B-Kind Craftisode. I hope that you enjoyed taking your doll out of the package and building a kindness board. And remember, always choose to be kind.